Hi guys, I'm Art Nigapatan and I'm here to show you on how to properly dispose our garbages on board. So first thing, I'm going to explain to you and show you on how to properly segregate different kinds of garbages on board. Waste segregation is important not only to reduce the impact it has on the environment, but also it health issues that can arise from waste and toxins that have been improperly disposed of. To ensure the health and safety of seafarers, waste segregation is important. Before disposal of garbages, waste segregation should be done first. Garbage segregation description to avoid intermixing of garbage, which includes identification of suitable receptacles for collection and separation. So I'm gonna show you a video clip on how to properly segregate different kinds of garbages.
Plastic bottles are thrown in plastic bottles trash bin. Non-biodegradable bin. Cans are thrown in a cans garbage bin. Non-biodegradable bin. Plastics are thrown in a plastic garbage can. Non-biodegradable bin. Food waste are thrown separately in an biodegradable bin.
Before we proceed, I just want to clarify something. If you happen to question why there is only 2 garbage cans, it is because there are only 2 garbage cans available in our house. But before I segregate each different garbages, I emptied the can before I throw it on the garbage can. So that's all, let's proceed. For the appropriate handling of garbage, the vessel should be equipped with incinerator, grinder, compressor, and compactor. Since I don't have these equipment at home, I'm just gonna show you a picture of how it looks like and explain to you the uses of each different equipment. First is the incinerator. The incinerator is a device that is used to burn waste materials in a controlled manner. It is often used to dispose of waste on board ship. Incinerators are designed to burn waste at high temperatures, reducing its volume and destroying harmful pathogens and toxins. This makes incineration an effective method for reducing the amount of waste that needs to be disposed of in landfills or other waste management facilities. Second is the grinder. Grinders are often used in the process of disposing of waste on board ships, particularly in the galley and in the engine room. In the galley, food waste is often ground up and disposed of through the ship's sewage system or through a special grinding and disposal system. In the engine room, grinding may be used to break down and dispose of hazardous materials such as oil filters, batteries, and other materials that can be harmful to the environment if not disposed properly. Grinders are also used to reduce the size of solid waste, making it easier to store and transport for proper disposal. And lastly, the compressor and compactor. The compressor and compactor are both machines that can be used to compact and reduce the volume of solid waste materials, such as garbage. Compressor use air pressure to compress the waste material, while compactor use mechanical force to compress the waste. Both types of machines can be used to reduce the volume of waste, making it easier and more efficient to transport and dispose of the materials. Lastly, I'm gonna explain to you on where should we dispose our garbages. There are a lot of specific areas where we can dispose our garbages, but when we arrive to the port, we can directly dispose our garbages to the port facilities. But when we are voyaging, we can dispose our garbages that has been stated in Annex 5. So, garbage disposal outside special areas. Disposal of plastics is totally prohibited, but floating materials are to be disposed more than 25 nautical miles from the nearest land, and also food, crockery, bottles, rags, meals, cans, etc. are to be disposed at more than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. And lastly, food, crockery, and etc. can be disposed at more than 4 nautical miles from the nearest land. And that's all. Thank you.